This video covers the concept of net force. Forces are vectors, so that means their direction matters. And whenever we are talking about net force, we mean the total force acting in one direction. Instead of just simply adding the forces together, you must take into account which way the forces are pointing. So let's do an example to look into this a little more. Two friends are pushing a couch across the common room. The friends exert a force of 300 and 200 newtons. There is a kinetic friction force of 100 newtons that opposes the couch's motion. What is the net force acting on the couch? So here's what this looks like. We have two people pushing a couch, and as you may know, it is difficult to push a couch because of friction. So let's draw a free body diagram for the couch. We know that there is a normal force since the couch is on the ground. We also know that there's a weight force since the couch is on earth. And if we assume the couch is moving to the right, there's a 200 and 300 newton force. And we also know that kinetic friction opposes this motion, so we have a 100 newton force pointing to the left. Now we want to find the net force acting in the x direction. We're going to assume that the right is positive, so therefore we would add 200 newtons and 300 newtons, and we would subtract the 100 newtons since it is pointing in the negative direction. And this gives us a net force of 400 newtons.